The following is a class on Sri Gaura Purnima, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 29th of February, 1972 in Mayapur.
Commit any sinful act. That is the point. So far, his past activities, that is excused during the time of initiation, as soon as he chants. But one should not commit again. This is very important point. Not that I am a great chanter of Hare Krishna Mantra, therefore let me do all kinds of nonsense. No. One should be very much careful. So, apavitra pavitrava sarvavastangatopi va jasmare pundarikakham. This is Krishna. The name Krishna is identical with Krishna. Nama Chintamani Krishna. Chaitanya Raghavidya. Purna Shuddha Nitya Mukta Avinnatyat Nama Nami. The name of Krishna and Krishna not different. The name of Krishna is as pure, as complete, as spiritual as Krishna. Avinnatana. There is no difference between name and the Lord. In the material world, relative world, there is difference between the substance and the name. But in the spiritual world, there is no such difference. Everything is spiritual. So this transcendental Hare Krishna Mantra is not a sound production of this material world. It is the transcendental vibration from the spiritual world. Golokera prema dhana hari nama sankirtana. Golokera prema. This Harinam Sankirtana is not a man-made musical sound. No. And Golokera prema. This is the song to develop love of God, and it is descended as Krishna descends, avatar. Similarly, the sound has descended. So there is no difference between Krishna and his name. If we chant carefully, without any offense, then our life is successful. This is the meaning of this verse. Nama pavitra pavitrava sarvavasangato piva jasmare pundarikakham Sat Bahya Abhantaram Suchi. Bahya means external, and Abhantaram internal. Both. One should always keep purified, cleans. Bahya Abhantaram. Bahya means externally, we should take regular bath 3 times with soap, oil. Or if one cannot get soap, then ordinary dirt, he can smear over the body and become fresh. Cleans the teeth, cleans hands, legs, no nails. These are the cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Unless you cleanse yourself outwardly, externally, you cannot be purified internally. And internally purified means always chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. So keep yourself always clean. Bahya Bhantaram. Then gradually he will be completely purified. How it is possible? This material body, how it can be purified? Yes, it can be. The example is just like you take an iron rod and put it in the fire and get it warm. It becomes warmer, and at last it becomes red hot. At that time it is no longer iron rod, it is fire. You touch anywhere, it will burn. Similarly, if you chant Hare Krishna Mantra regularly according to the principles, then gradually your whole body becomes spiritualized. then it is apapa viddham, no more sin. So you have to make your life completely pure, then you will be admitted into the kingdom of God, back to Godhead, back to home. Thank you.
Shri Prabhupada, let it